last night I spent some time, I went out and I grabbed a bunch of eggs and I started making a bunch of stuff that required some eggs, pumpkin cheesecake, bacon and eggs. I just ate some vegetable stew and some bacon and eggs to fill up our food meter. Also started making some yucca juice, so apparently yucca juice will give us more water than the red tea, but the red tea will give us the efficient digestion. So like it's 50-50 on which one is really worth it. Probably the yucca juice. Or I mean probably the red tea more so than the yucca juice. It is Horde night, and I did no work on my Horde base since the last time we had a Horde. So at some point throughout the day, I'm gonna have to come through here and just make sure everything is upgraded and up to snuff. We've got our little opening out there so we can shoot out this way. We've got a doorway here. I might want to do some upgrading over here as well. But for the most part, I wasn't going to do much of a change for the Horde night tonight. But starting next Horde, I'm actually going to maybe branch out a little bit more and use more of this space. I don't know if there's a safe way to get rid of this barrel without blowing it up. I don't know. Oh, I never touched this generator. We'll take it. So I don't know if there's actually like a safe way to take care of that. I want to, I just don't know. I don't know what it is. For today, though, we need to do the same amount of searching for mechanical parts that we were doing yesterday. We need vehicle books like we did yesterday. I have a feeling we're going to get a drop today. I'm not sure. So that's just what we're going to go do. Last night there was a screamer that came by. It came by right near like the end of recording. So I ended up just killing it and I didn't show you guys. But we also have 2 knuckle books that we didn't read at some point. I don't remember getting those. I don't have much to really sell. So I'm not going to worry about bringing it to the trader right now. What we should do real quick is... I don't remember how... Here we go. We have a bunch of challenges completed that we should redeem. And I should go through and figure out what other challenges I need to get done for some of these. For instance, this one right here is craft spikes, spike traps, place wooden spike traps. So let's just like make a spike trap real quick. This is something I've been ignoring for the most part, mostly because I thought about saving them until I had more of more in intelligence to increase the bartering, because you get rewards for completing full lines of these. Use a campfire to make charred meat from raw meat. Really? Select food or drink item in your tool belt to consume it. Then water is a factor. Drink from pools of murky water. Over here. That's stupid that I have to cook friggin' bad meat. That's annoying. That I have to cook charred meat as one of the challenges. Charred meat, eat charred meat, craft charred meat, eat charred meat, and drink from a pool of water. So we'll go do that as well on our way over to the trader, so that this way we can just get these quests done. So those 2 should be done as well. Just double checking. Oh, we need to do 2 and we need to eat 2. That's dumb. But yeah, we're going to go to the trader and pick up a job from the trader and do that real quick, and then maybe run a quick POI or 2 before Horde night, and then come back and deal with Horde night. So that's going to be it for that's going to be the goal and the objectives for today. So we're just I'm going to just get this done real quick and go find some water to drink. Should probably find... Is there any water along here? I know there's this base. Do we want to just go do that base? And there's that water right there. Let's just go do that base instead of doing a trader mission. We'll do that base first, and then if there's time, we'll do the trader mission after. Alright, so this is a military base that I've been wanting to check out. It's a tier 4 military base, which I believe is similar to the one we had just ran the other day. So it shouldn't be too bad, but it's going to be scary. But I'm going to run this first, and then after we're done here, we'll go take a trader quest. That's our last cookbook. We can make gumbo stew. Just let them come to me. I thought you were dead. Alright, easy enough. We no longer... Harvesting tools, nice. We no longer need cookbooks. We can make gumbo stew, which is probably... I'm assuming it's the best thing you can make. Assuming. I don't know what's in it, I don't know what it takes, but we'll see. We're going to be getting so many cookbooks, though, that it wouldn't make sense to just read them. We're going to get so many extra cookbooks because of how high our cooking level is, that it'll make more sense to sell them than to just read them. Oh, there you are. It would be nice to get a hunting rifle by the end of this. I don't think we will, but it would be nice to get a hunting rifle by the end of this. Because remember, with our farmer gear, we do more damage with rifles. So ultimately, I want to go towards the hunting rifle path. Oh, there it is. I don't like that. I don't like it. Need more armor parts, man. They're not giving me any armor parts. I say as I get armor parts. Stupid birds. Alright, come on. You. 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 So I have decided at this point, I'm not taking any more food items while out in the field, unless I'm close to home. Because it just takes up too much inventory space, and most of the food items... Oh, God. Oh, boy. Most of the food items I'm getting are... is mostly just food that I already am growing, or that I have a ton of anyway. So I don't really need to take any more of it. Ooh, a baseball bat book. I can make it a level 4 bat. And an armor book. So yeah, so I'm no longer taking the like the food, cornmeal, corn, anything like that. Any food items that I find, I'm no longer taking. I just don't need to take them anymore. Because I have so much food. Die already, holy crap. I'll take the aloe seed at least. I'm not gonna take anything else. There's 2 dogs. Jesus. Wiring book, nice. Oh boy. You're not dead yet? Two med books. We'll take that first aid bandage. Oh boy. I'm so glad I made this AK when I did. Oh. So glad I have this AK. Oh, thank you for the loot bag. Two more baseball bat books and NVGs. Nice. Where's that drop coming from? Back that way. That's back towards home, right? That's right next to home. So we'll grab that later. All right, let's go through this loot. Freaking iron sledgehammer. We're just gonna scrap that. Handgun book. Farming seeds. That's done. We're done with farming. We have all of the we have all of the books we need. It is day 10. We have every book we need. That's great. Burning shaft mod. How many lockpicks do we got? 2? This can be used. And that's... I'm not going to pick through that. I'm not going to bash my way through that. We'll see if Rect has any lockpicks, and we'll come back here. Oh, jeez. These military checkpoints are really good to do, it seems. That's locked. Wow. What's this? Shotgun aside. Shotguns do 10% more damage. Alright, let's make our way over to Rect. Drop some stuff off in the bike. Keep the stuff we're gonna sell. Before I do that, we need to drink. Did I get a yeah, I got one of these. There. That's done now. That's another challenge complete. Craft pipe bombs, cement mixer, cement, gas cans. This is find all of them. Harvest honey. I still need to harvest one more honey. Some leather. Car parts. Forge steel. Alright, let's go direct. Let's go see what he's gonna give us a bunch of stuff from completing those challenges. And we're pretty loaded on inventory space. Plus, it's actually a lot later than I was expecting, so we're gonna head on home after dropping this stuff off at Wrecked. What is this way, though? What is over here? Have we looked at this place? Oh, it's just like a quick stop. Buy and go. Alright, let's see what he's got for us.
Well,
Take those forged ahead books. Yeah, we'll take the forged ahead. Let's see. Any jobs? What do you got? You got an infested clear that's not too far. With at 1400, no. We'll maybe do that next time. Let's do this this 207 clear.
Well, don't just sale is a sale, even if it is to a scumbag.
Four more points into crafting. Oh, I got some more stuff to sell you.
For fuck's sake, what is it now?
Oh, you know, be quiet. Oh, and lockpicks. You got 3.
All that gawking at.
Alright, so we'll go real quick, do a quick run at this clear quest. And then we'll go pick that lock, and then we'll head home. Oh, I believe we've done this so far already. Also, before we get going, we do have 2 skill points. So, can we get more points in the Grease Monkey? Not yet. So we'll get 2 more points into Intellect. Armor book, nice. Speed running. Gonna be a speed runner. Oh, we have found Tech Planet and 10% more damage to safes. That was easy enough. I'm just gonna let him keep shooting, banging at things. This place just never really feels worth it. Machine Gunner book. And a Gravedigger mod. But yeah, I don't really like running this POI because it doesn't feel worth it. There's not a lot of loot here. I could take everything apart though, but with our time constraints, we have that loot that we need to pick up. We've got the locked chest that I want to try to go back and pick. We don't have time for that. So let's go just clear this quest and head home. Erect.
Damn, you smell like the dead. You better have money.
Nope, don't have any money. That's bullshit. That's bullshit that it reset. I didn't know it reset when you go away. Lockpicking sucks in this game. That's one feature in this game I really wish they would update. Give me a mini game or something, and this way if I'm running a lockpicking like skill set, it'll increase my chances of picking the lock. Like it'll make the mini game easier or something. But yeah, lockpicking just sucks. Alright, we're cooking some food. I'll be done in a few seconds. Let's check these magazine bundles that we got. 4 baseball bats. 2 farming, which we don't need. 2 explosive. 2 more vehicles. And 2 armored. We can just put these farming books down here. How many more vehicle books do we need? We need 9 more vehicle books. Maybe we can get them tonight. That would be nice. But probably not. I have on me 4 repair kits because that's all we've got. I've got all my 7.62 ammo, all my 9mm ammo. I've got a couple of types of drinks. Do I have any explosives? I've got Molotovs, and I don't have any bombs. So we'll take the bombs, and we'll take the explosives, and we'll use those as well if we need to. And then I've got myself some food if I get hungry throughout the night. So we're good. We should be good. I have the multiple kinds of drink on me just in case we light ourselves on fire. And I've been forgetting to collect water. I should collect it at the beginning of the day. And we do have some repair capabilities. Not a lot. Not a lot. So yeah, that's gonna be tricky. This is gonna be fun. I love this part. We're gonna get into it in a minute. Get ready to cue music. Let me tell you, that last minute of waiting was the longest minute of my life. I did have 5 repair kits. I used one of them to repair my my DP just because I wanted to make sure it had the battery life basically. Oh my god, that's a lot of zombies. Before it kept up a hell of a lot better. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh no. There's just so many more of them than last time. Oh, there's a werewolf down there. initial wave is done, it seems. Home run with that guy. I didn't grab my experience mod either. Oh! So the bad thing is they destroyed one of the hatches. And because that hatch is destroyed, I can't lower this hatch to replace it. Oh no.
straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'm dead, I'm staying. Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you.
Took out the werewolf. Or the dire wolf. Whatever you want to call it. There's the other dogs.
Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo.
3 skill points. And I already used 2 skill points earlier today.
Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to
Oh
the
shit.
face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots.
Alright, let's heal up real quick.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'm
Oh, is that a...
so I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the
That's a
face.
police
I'm
officer.
taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling
Can't let him blow up.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'm dead, I'm staying. Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Keep lighting myself on fire. I mean, this is what happens when your base is made of cardboard. Oh shit. Oh, there goes that. Only an hour left. Hour and a half. I am out of repair kits, aren't I? Another freaking... Are you kidding me with this? How many cops are there? This is day 10. Ooh, fuck. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh boy. Oh, I can't. I just. I hate this. I hate this. I love it, but I hate it. Oh boy. Is there another werewolf? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh boy. I need meds. Where's the birds at? They leave? Thought I heard another werewolf. I used up all my 7.62 ammo. I used up all my repair kits. Oh man. Junk turret. had. I mean, it was in good shape for the junk turret at least. Shoot. Hello, anything in here? Anything come down? No. Okay. I thought I heard another wolf, another dire wolf. That. Holy crap. All right. Well, we got some work to do on our horde base, both repair work and reinforcement work. That was gone. That is gone, which I'm happy about. I wanted that gone. Let's see what we got. 11 armor books. Jesus. 2 bow books. 2 sledge books. 2 handy books. 2 cooking. 2 scrappers. 2 farmers. Tech junkie book, which I don't know what that was. 2 wiring books. Ooh, another vehicle book. 2 other wiring books. 2 medical journals. Mufflers. And shots of the legs of the arrows or bolts slow your opponent. That doesn't matter. Oh, boy. Oh, man. These can all be used in recipes, which is good. And then some athletic gloves. And, oh, we got a treasure map. Let's accept that treasure map. We don't have any lockpicks, though, so it's not going to really be worthwhile right away. So I'll have to get some lockpicks, unless we can make some, which I don't think we can. That was a hell of a horde night. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sort my inventory, things like that, and get situated and ready for today. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for hanging out and being here. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. Be sure to check me out live here on YouTube and on twitch.tv/b_walnuts, where I video game stream Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And, yeah, check out the other videos I make on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you guys so much. Please do me a huge favor. Be careful. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always hug your loved ones. And of course, like always, be sure to wear mismatched socks. I'll see you all next time.